Welcome to my channel Phi Concepts CHM. This video is about crystal physics. It is the fourth part of the series of crystal physics. We will see about the body-centered cubic structure. BCC structure consists of 8 corner atoms and one body-centered atom. Lattice parameters are given as A is equal to B is equal to C and all the angles are equal to 90 degrees. Now we will find the effective number of atoms in the unit cell. So each and every corner atom, as we had seen in the simple cubic structure, is shared by 8 adjacent unit cells. So each corner atom is shared by 8 unit cells. So the total number of atoms contributed by the corner atoms will be 1/8 part into the 8 corners is equal to 1. Also, additionally, there is a body-centered atom at the center of the unit cell. So, the effective number of atoms present in a BCC unit cell is 1, this 1 plus this 1 is equal to 2. Now we will find the coordination number. We know that the body-centered atom, it touches all the corner atoms. Therefore, if we can say that the nearest neighbor that the body-centered atom has is 8 neighbors. Therefore, the coordination number for the BCC structure is 8. Now we will find the atomic radius. For BCC, the atoms touch along the body diagonal. That is, this corner atom touches the body-centered atom and then the body-centered atom touches this corner atom. So, the length is given in this way. This is small r. This length is small r, radius of the atom. This is the diameter 2r. And this is the radius of this second corner atom. So the diagonal length is 4r. Now we will consider the triangle ABC, which is a right angle triangle. So we will apply the Pythagoras theorem as AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. The side of the cube is A. So A square plus A square is equal to 2A square. So AC is equal to root 2A. Now consider the triangle ACD. This is also a right angle triangle. So we will apply the Pythagoras theorem. That is AD square is equal to AC square plus CD square is equal to AC square is 2A square. So 2A square plus CD is also again A. So 2A square plus A square. And also AD is the diagonal length which is 4r. So substituting that 4r the whole square is equal to 3a square. You get 4r is equal to root 3a. From this you get the atomic radius √3 upon 4 into A. Now we will find the atomic packing factor, which is the total volume occupied by the atoms in a unit cell divided by the volume of the unit cell. As there are two atoms inside the BCC unit cell and the volume of one atom is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. And volume of the unit cell, as the length of one side is A, so volume of the unit cell is A cube. You can substitute A as we have found the atomic radius. From that, A is 4 r upon √3. Solving this, you get √3 pi upon 8, and that is 0.68. In terms of percentage, that is 68%. That is, the atoms in the BCC structure occupy 68% of the space. So it is a tightly packed structure compared to the simple cubic structure. Now we will see about the face-centered cubic structure. Here we have the atoms located at the corners, but two adjacent corner atoms, they do not touch each other. Additionally, there is an atom at the center of the faces, and this face-centered atom touches the four corner atoms. The lattice parameters are given as A is equal to B is equal to C, and all the angles are equal to 90 degrees. Now we will find the effective number of atoms in the unit cell. It is similar to the BCC structure, where if you consider one corner atom, if you consider this corner atom, it is being shared by 8 unit cells. 8 unit cells. So it is contributing only 1/8 of the part to this red unit cell. That way, this red unit cell has 8 corners. 8 corners. So 1/8 part into the 8 corners. Also, we have a face-centered atom. Suppose we consider an atom at the center of this face of this red unit cell. So this atom is being shared by this red unit cell as well as by this unit cell. So this atom is contributing only half part to the red unit cell. Half. So hence half. And that way in the red unit cell there are 6 faces. 6 faces. So half into 6 face. So that is 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 atoms. So there are in all 4 atoms in a FCC unit cell. Now we will calculate the atomic radius. We will draw a diagonal on one face, because this corner atom is touching this face-centered atom and this face-centered atom is touching this corner atom. So this length is r plus this is 2r and this is r. So we will denote this length as d, which is equal to 4R. We will apply the Pythagoras theorem. Here each side of the cube is of length A. So applying the Pythagoras theorem, this diagonal length is also D. So D square is equal to A square plus A square. D square is equal to A square plus A square. So D is root 2 into A. Hence, this D is actually 4R. D is equal to 4R. Equating this equation, you will get R, that is root 2 upon 4 into A. Now we will find the coordination number. For that, we can consider this atom as the central atom. This atom or the corner atom touches the face-centered atom. So in this plane which I have shown in yellow, which comprises of 4 unit cells or 4 faces, so this atom will be touching the face-centered atoms in this plane. So there are 4 face-centered atoms in this plane. Same way in this plane which I have shown in red color, there are 4 face-centered atoms touching this corner atom. Also in this horizontal plane, this corner atom will touch the 4 face-centered atom of these unit cells. So total there are 12 neighbors for this corner atoms. So the coordination number is 12 for a FCC unit cell. Now we will find the atomic packing factor. We had found the number of atoms in a unit cell to be 4. Atomic radius also we had found. So A is equal to 2 root 2R. Volume of the atoms in the cell will be 4, the number of atoms, into the volume of one atom, 4 by 3 pi r cube. So that comes as 16 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of the cube, as the length of one side is A, so that will be A cube. Substituting A as 2 root 2R in this equation, you get 16 into root 2 R cube. Now we will find the packing factor, which is the volume of all the atoms in the cube divided by the volume of the cube. Substituting everything, you get pi by 3 root 2. This is 0.74. And in terms of percentage, it is 74%. That means 74% of the unit cell is filled with the atoms. Hence, FCC is more closely packed than BCC and the simple cubic structure. Thank you for watching my video.